Okay, so what we're trying to do is sine 4x, yeah? And the key thing to remember here is that this is a chain rule. Alright, there are two things. There's a sine x and a 4x. So now we're going to say, let's call that sine u, where u is 4x, and therefore what you've got is 4x, so u dash, sorry, is 4. Okay, now for those of you who are being distracted by the actual fact that I'm appearing on the screen at the same time, well, why does the teacher actually need the projector at all? Okay, so if u dashed is 4, okay, and if y equals sine u, then dy by du is it cos or negative cos? It's cos, good, always check that please. Okay? And so therefore, and this is obviously not u dashed, I shouldn't have written u dash, should I? I should have written du by dx, therefore dy by dx equals dy by du multiplied by du by dx, which is cos, which becomes 4 cos, and I'm just going to immediately substitute back in 4x. Chain rule. Exactly the same as any other chain rule question, isn't it? Really nice and straightforward, okay? But there is a general solution now. Think about that. So if I now say I want sine, so if I say the f of x is sine ax, then f dashed of x is going to be a sine ax. A cos ax. I'm sorry. Thank you for that. Okay? Now, I really need you to concentrate on that particular result. Okay, and similarly the cos one that goes to the negative 4 sine, whatever. Okay, so similarly, if f of x, let's call it g of x so we don't get confused. So g of x equals cos bx, then g dashed of x is going to be negative b sine bx. And when we come to do integration, you remembering that will become vital. Okay? So just, that's why we're telling you it now. Okay, but it's one of those little shortcuts we told you about. Okay? But please remember that if you can't remember the shortcut, you can use the chain rule. It does work. Okay? Cool.